Hey guys, I'm Kyle. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to generate affiliate link on AliExpress beginner's tutorial. So let's get started. So here we are in aliexpress.com, and once you go here, the first thing that you would want to make sure is that you are currently logged in with your own account here in AliExpress. If you don't have one yet, it's very simple. Just go to AliExpress and register right here. Once you're in your account, the first thing that you would need to do is to sign up for the affiliate program here in AliExpress, because you can't have your affiliate link without signing in into the program or signing up. So what you want to do to sign up is you want to scroll all the way down on this aliexpress.com, and then you should be able to see this collaborate with us option. So you want to click here on the affiliate program right here. So click on the affiliate program, and then it would take us here. So from here, what we want to do is to click here on start earning, and from here we will be able to sign up with the affiliate program, but you would need to provide your information first. And now, after you have provided those information and you are now accepted by AliExpress as their affiliate, then you should be receiving an email indicating that you've been accepted. And now, once you are confirmed to be accepted, you want to go back here into aliexpress.com. And from here, make sure again that you are currently logged in with your affiliate account right here that is associated. And from here, you want to go scroll all the way down again right here until you see the collaborate with us right here. So you want to click on the affiliate program again. So let me just scroll down right here. So affiliate program, you want to click on this one again, and you should be logged in into your dashboard for the portal of your affiliate. And from there, you should just be clicking on tools, and then you'd be able to see that link generator. And then from here, as you can see, you would need to provide the page's URL. So this would take, for example, I want this product right here. So I want to click that right here. So I want to get a tracking link for this, or a affiliate link for this product. So what you want to do is copy the link right here, click on copy, and then from here you want to paste it in the page's URL and click on get tracking link, and then you would get the tracking link, and that tracking link would be your affiliate link on this product. So when someone buys this product from your link, then you would get a commission. So that is basically how it works. But in this case, I'm only able to show you pictures because I'm not able to log into my affiliate account right here to show you. But that is basically how you do it right here in affiliate in AliExpress. So I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.